श्री श्री राधा गोलोकन भगवान की जय। जय गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय। श्रीमद् भागवतम फर्स्ट कैंटो चैप्टर 5। Narod's instructions on Srimad Bhagavatam for Vyasadeva. Om Ajnanatimidandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namane. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Nudiraye. Nashtaprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavatirtam Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Neshvaki. Sutta Uvacha Athatam Sukham Asina Upasinam Brihat Shrava Devarishih Praha Viprarishim Vina Pani Smayan Iva. Suta Goswami said, thus the sage amongst the gods, Narada, comfortably seated and apparently smiling, addressed the Rishi amongst the Brahmanas, Shri Vedyas. Narada Uvacha Parasharya Mahabhaga Bhavataha Kachit Atmana Paritushyate Sharira Atma Manasa Eva. Addressing Vyasadeva, the son of Parashar, Narada inquired, are you satisfied by identifying the body or the mind as objects of self-realization? Jigyasitam susampannam apite mahad adbhutam krittavan bharatam yastvam sarvartha paribrinhitam. Your inquiries were full and your studies were all so well fulfilled, and there is no doubt that you have prepared a great and wonderful work, the Mahabharata, which is full of all kinds of Vedic sequences elaborately explained. Jigyasitam adhitam cha brahmayat tatta sanatanam tathapi shochyashi atmanam apritartha eva prabho. You have fully delineated the subject of impersonal Brahman as well as the knowledge derived therefrom. Why should you be despondent in spite of all of this? thinking that you are undone, my dear Prabhu. Vyasa uvacha astyeva me sarvam idam tvayoktam tathapi natma paritushyate me tanmulam avyaktam agadha bodham prichhamahe tvatma bhavatma bhutam. Shri Vyasadeva said, all you have said about me is perfectly correct. Despite all this, I am not pacified. I therefore question you about the root cause of my dissatisfaction. For you are a man of unlimited knowledge, due to your being the offspring of one, Brahma, who is self-born, without mundane father and mother. Sarvai bhavan veda samasta guhyam upasito yad purushah purana Paravaresho manaseva vishvam srijatyavati attigunai asanga. My Lord, everything that is mysterious is known to you because you worship the Creator and Destroyer of the material world and the maintainer of the spiritual world, the original personality Godhead, who is transcendental to the three modes of material nature. Tvam parittana arka eva trilokyam antascharo vayu ivatma sakshi paravare brahmani dharmato vrateha snadasya me nyunam alam vichakshva. Like the sun, your goodness can travel everywhere in the three worlds, and like the air, you can penetrate the internal region of everyone. As such, you are as good as the all-pervasive super soul. Please therefore find out the deficiency in me, despite my being absorbed in transcendence under disciplinary regulations and vows. Shri Narada Uvacha Bhavatadudeta Prayam Yasho Bhagavato Malam Vinayvaso na tushyeta Manyeta Darshanam Khilam. Shri Narada said, you have not actually broadcast the sublime and spotless glories of the personality of God. That philosophy which doesn't satisfy the transcendental senses of the Lord is considered worthless. Yatha dharmandayashya chardha muni varyanukirtitaha na tatha vasudevasya mahima yanuvaranitaha. Although great sage, you have very broadly described the four principles, beginning with religious performances. You have not described the glories of the Supreme Personality Vasudeva. Nayad vachashpitra padam hareresho jagat pavitram prahinita kadhichit tadvayasam tirtham shanti manasa Nayatra hamsa niramantya ushikshaya. Those words which do not describe the glories of the Lord, who alone can sanctify the atmosphere of the whole universe, are considered by saintly persons to be like unto a place of pilgrimage for crows, since all perfect persons are inhabitants of the transcendental abode. They do not derive any pleasure there. Tadvaga visargo janataga viplavo yasmin pratishlokam avadhavatyapi namanyanantasya yasho kitani yat shrivanti gayanti grinanti sadhavaha. On the other hand, that literature which is full of descriptions of the transcendental glories of the name, fame, forms, pastimes, etc. of the unlimited Supreme Lord, is a different creation full of transcendental words directed to bringing about a revolution in the impious lives of this world's misdirected civilization. Such transcendental literatures, even though imperfectly composed, are heard, sung, and accepted by purified men who are thoroughly honest. Neshkarmyam api achutya bhavavarjitam न शोभते ज्ञानम् अलम् निरञ्जनम् कूटः पुनः शश्वत् अभद्रम् ईश्वरे न चार्पितम् कर्म यद्यपि अकारणम्. Knowledge of self-realization, even though free from all material affinity, doesn't look well if devoid of a conception of the infallible God. What then is the use of fruitive activities, which are naturally painful from the very beginning and transient by nature, if they are not utilized for the devotional service of the Lord? Atho mahabhag bhavan mogadrik shuchishvavaha satyarato dhritta pratah uru brahmasyakhela bandha muktaye Samadhina smaratat vicheshtitam. O Vyasadeva, your vision is completely perfect. Your good fame is spotless. You are firm in vow and situated in truthfulness. And thus you can think of the pastimes of the Lord in trance for the liberation of the people in general from all material bondage. ततोऽन्यथा किञ्चन यद् विवक्षतः पृथगद्विषस्तकृत्यरूपनामभिः न कर्हिचित् क्वापि च दुःस्थिता मते लभेत वाताहतनौरिति वास्पदम्. Whatever you desire to describe that is separate in vision from the Lord simply reacts with different forms, names, and results to agitate the mind as the wind agitates the boat which has no resting place. Jugupsitam dharmakrite dushasatah svabhavartasya mahanya vatikramah yad gapyato dharma iti tarah spito namanyate tasya nivaranam janah. The people in general are naturally inclined to enjoy, and you have encouraged them in that way in the name of religion. This is verily condemned and is quite unreasonable. Because they are guided under your instructions, they will accept such activities in the name of religion and will hardly care for prohibitions. Vichakshano sarhati veditum vibho Anantaparasya nivrittitah sukham Pravartamanasya guner anatamanas Tato bhavan darshaya cheshitam vibho. The Supreme Lord is unlimited, only a very expert personality, retired from the activities of material happiness, deserves to understand this knowledge of spiritual values. Therefore, those who are not so well situated due to material attachment should be shown the ways of transcendental realization by your goodness through descriptions of the transcendental activities of the Supreme Lord. Chaktavasa dharmam saranam bhujam hare bhajan apakvotha patena tato yadi Yatra bhadram abhunamushyatim Kovata apto bhajatam swadharmatah. One who has forsaken his material occupations to engage in the devotional service of the Lord may sometimes fall down while in an immature stage. Yet there is no danger of his being unsuccessful. On the other hand, a non-devotee, though fully engaged in occupational duties, does not gain anything. Tasyaiva hetoh paryate tako vido na labhyate yad Ramatam pari adha tallabhyate dukavad anyatah sukham kalena sarvatra gabhiram hasa. Persons who are actually intelligent and philosophically inclined should endeavor only for that purposeful end, which is not obtainable even by wandering from the topmost planet, Brahmalok, down to the lowest planet, Patal. As far as happiness derived from sense enjoyment is concerned, it can be obtained automatically in course of time, just as in course of time we obtain miseries even though we do not desire them. Navai jano jatu kathanchanavrije mukunda sevyanam vayat anga samsnitim smaran mukundangri upabhuvana punar vihatum ichchedana rasoglabo janah. My dear Vyas, even though the devotee of Lord Krishna sometimes falls down somehow or other, he certainly doesn't undergo material existence like others, fruitive activity workers, and so on. Because a person who has once relished the taste of the lotus feet of the Lord can do nothing but remember the ecstasy again and again. Idam hi vishwam bhagavan nivetaro yato jagasthana nirodha sambhava tadhi swayam veda bhuvam satathapi te pradeshamatram bhavatah pradarshitam. The Supreme Lord, Personality of Godhead, is Himself this cosmos, and still is aloof from it. From Him only has this cosmic manifestation emanated. In Him it rests, and unto Him enters after annihilation. Your good self knows all about this. I have given only a synopsis. Tvam atmanatmanam avahi amoghatri padasya pumsaha paramatmanah kalam ajam prajatam jagatah shivayatan mahanubhava bhuthayo dhiganyatam. Your goodness has perfect vision. You yourself can know the soul, Personality of Godhead, because you are present at the plenary portion of the Lord. Although you are birthless, you have appeared on this earth for the well-being of all people. Please therefore describe the transcendental pastimes of the Supreme Personality of God, Shri Krishna, more vividly. Idam hi pumsas tapasaha shutasya Svishtasya suptasya cha buddhi tutayo avichyuto artha kavibhidilopito yad uttam shloka gunanuvarnanam. Learned circles have positively concluded that the infallible purpose of the advancement of knowledge, namely austerity, study of the Vedas, sacrifice, chanting of hymns, and charity, culminates in the transcendental descriptions of the Lord, who is defined in choice poetry. Aham puratitya bhave bhavam mune dasyasu kasyacham vedavadinam nirupito balakadeva yoginam sushrushane pravishi shatam. O Muni, in the last millennium, I was born as the son of a certain maid servant, engaged in the service of Brahmins who were following the principles of Vedanta. When they were living together during the 4 months of rainy season, I was engaged in their personal service.